Hi, it's Stephen here for Bland Designs, and today I'm going to work in my art journal, but I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to create a fairly complex, at least that's my plan, interactive art journaling page with possibly a pop-up, some flaps to flip over, and things like that. I've assembled some stuff. I've got some Tim Holtz uh, paper dolls and some other ephemera. I've got this picture that I'm dying to use that I got out of a art magazine. I've got my Delusions ruler. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, but I thought I might. And I've got a package of large tags from Delusions as well. And I've got my art journal. So I really don't know where this is going or what's going to end up looking like. I will probably fast forward this video so you don't have to watch paint dry, and we'll see what we come up with. Okay, so my interactive page is now done, but just a few notes as to what I was doing here. It may have been difficult to see when I had it in fast forward motion. First of all, you may have seen when I made this little block that's here that at first, to stick it down, I tried to use double-sided tape. That did not work. I don't know if it was because of the type of cardstock I used or because I'd already gone over this cardstock with some distress inks, so it wasn't sticking. So wet glue works better. Actually, wet glue probably works better no matter what kind of surface you're gluing, because it gives you a little bit of wiggle time to get it into the right place. You'll also notice that I glued down my word boards, my chipboard words here, and this with a spirit glue. I have one that comes from England but is difficult to get here in North America, but Tombow Aqua glue will work just as well for that. Other notes about this particular page. I did cut away part of the tag here just to give a little bit more of a texture kind of thing, and I added my 3D butterflies as well just to fill in some space. Overall, I think this page turned out very nice, and it's got that interactive element, that little surprise when it pops up. So you might want to try it. And one other thing that I think I may do is, since I've got the hole up here in the tag, I think I'm going to add a ribbon to that as well. Oh, and the other thing that I did, you will notice that I sprayed this with a fixative when I first did the background. Reason being is I used distress crayons, and I used some other medium on here that are not completely waterproof. They may reactivate when a wet medium goes on top of them, and I knew I was going to use some gel medium to stick down my images. So I just sprayed it with a fixative that makes it waterproof, and it dries within about 5 minutes, and you don't have to worry about any of your inks or any of your paints or anything like that running. So I hope you enjoyed this and something a little different, and have a little fun. Bye bye for now.